Jai Hind. Dear participants, welcome to Agri SAARTHI. Today we will learn about the process for registration in Agri SAARTHI Kranti 2026, India's biggest 30 days national training program. So you will get a message from your university, college or your friends. There will be a link given, register here. That is portal agrisaarthi.in. You have to click on it. It will redirect you to the portal for registration of Agri SAARTHI on your browser. Now you should go little right and you will find a button register. Either you register from here or there is a direct button you will get, and also you can find it little below. Okay, it will redirect us to here. Like, we have registration process, like two options: farmer and student or professionals. So you have to choose according to your category. Click on continue. Then you have to opt for the Agri SAARTHI Kranti 2026. Then fill out your name. Like, my name is Sumit, and father's name you have to put over here, the gender male, and you have to put your date of birth. Let me click it first. And then you have language option, in which language you want to learn about, like Hindi, English, and Hindi and English both. So I think most of you will go with the Hindi and English both. Then there is the WhatsApp number. So you have to fill your correct WhatsApp number, because it is a very important task to do, because whatever the information will be there regarding Agri SAARTHI Kranti 2026, that will be sent to your WhatsApp number. So please fill it correctly. Then you have to give your email ID. You will get all the information on this mail. So please fill out email ID also, very important part. So next we have to click on continue. Now we will fill our basic educational details. First of all, we will choose our category, either BSc, MSc, PhD, assistant professor, or working professional, any private or government organization. So you have to choose according to your category. Let's see, I'm registering for the BSc, and now I have to fill my full degree name. Let's suppose it is BSc, because it is going to be printed on your certificate. So please fill the information accordingly. Whatever you will fill over here, that will be represented in your certificate. Next, you have to fill your designation. If you are a student, then you have to fill student. Otherwise, as a working professional, you can write assistant professional, assistant professor, associate professor, scientist, etc. Then you have to choose for your university. So here is a good part. Like, if you are from these universities, like we have mentioned some university name over here. These are the partner universities which have partnered for this particular February batch, and likewise there will be upcoming batch and different universities will partner with us. So if there is the name of your university in this list, then you are going to get a discount. So let's suppose I'm choosing for this agriculture university quota. It will be auto filled in this section, and earlier it was 699 for the BSc. Now if I choose for the partner university, there will be a discount of 100 rupees for the partner university. So you have to go for this. If you do not have your university name in this particular section, then you have to write your university name here. Okay, let's suppose I'm filling it out, CCS HAU Hisar. So this 100 rupee discount is only applicable for the partner universities. You have to fill your name, full university name. Then we have to give our full address, because whatever the address you are going to provide over here, you will get your certificate delivered to this address. So please fill it out very carefully. Let's suppose I am filling my address. Let me first for it, house number 251, city Hisar, district Hisar, and the state is Haryana. Now I have to give my PIN code. It is very important, because if you fill the wrong details, then your certificate will not be delivered to your address. So please fill it very carefully. I will click on continue button. Next, I have to read these terms and conditions, like information is true to my best knowledge, and any discrepancy I'll be responsible. Then the meeting joining link will be provided to you via email. So then you have to attend minimum 85% classes in order to get the certificates, and daily attendance and feedback and performer link will be shared in the Zoom meeting itself. and the soft copy will be sent to you within 7 days, and after 15 days the hard copy certificate will be dispatched. And one more thing, you have to take the screenshot of your payment on the coming page, and you have to send that certificate like payment screenshot to this particular WhatsApp number that is provided over here. And it is for your information that this 18001801 is the toll-free Kisan helpline number. You can contact to this number and you can tell to the farmers. Next, there is a WhatsApp group you have to join for the important information. So I will click on this join WhatsApp group. It will redirect to your WhatsApp, and you have to join this group. Okay, this will be the group for the information. And next, once you join this group, you have to click yes, I have joined the WhatsApp group. See the registration summary, my name, this category, and email ID, phone number, and registration fees. If everything is correct, then please click on complete registration. The registration is complete and you will get your registration ID number. You can copy this number and keep it safe with you, and then you can proceed to the payment because the first step is cleared. And in case if you miss this payment procedure, you can check out to your email ID also. You will get the same email about registration. So let me show you. We will get back to here. Okay, so if you see the email ID, so dear participants, you can find this registration number in your email also. So please continue for the proceed to payment. This is the button you will get. So our first step is clear. Now we can see the details, the name, email ID, that should be correct, and your registration ID is here, fee amount, and the payment status is pending. So here is the account details given. You can pay either your NEFT, IMPS, or any other internet banking system. Either you can scan this QR code that is given over here, and also you can pay through the UPI ID that is here. You can copy and paste it into your UPI merchant accounts or UPI payment application. You can pay through here. So I have already paid for this, so I have to attach this payment screenshot. Let's suppose this is the payment screenshot, and I will click on this AI auto scan receipt extract UTR. So once I click on it, please wait for some time. So the transaction ID is auto fetched. If it is not able to fetch your transaction ID, because you have to upload the screenshot that contains each and every detail about your transaction ID number, date, time, amount, etc. So you should click that particular screenshot. So once you fill out here, either it auto extract or you can fill it here. Then you have to click on complete payment, like confirm payment submission. The payment details submitted successfully. Admin will verify and will get back to you. So now we can check our status, right? So here we can check our status. The email will be sent to you over to your email ID. Like I have registered with this ISA Students Association at gmail.com, and this registration ID is, let me check it. I have copied it, so it is, here we go, and access my record. So once we click on it, we can see awaiting verification. Like our admin team will check your verification, like your details, your payment details, and they will verify your registration, and you will get a final confirmation email. So likewise you can get it. So the registration is complete and you can register like this, and you will get the Zoom meeting link as well as the WhatsApp group link, official participants WhatsApp group, to the number provided on this particular registration form as well as on your email. So dear participants, I hope it is clear to you how you can register for Agri SAARTHI Kranti 2026. If you feel and face any type of difficulties, if you have any queries, you can contact to the number given over here. Like you can see 9350844155, and also there is a chat support button is here. You can click on this and will be redirected to the WhatsApp number. So you can contact with our team. They will resolve your query either. And one more thing you have to take care, like once you have submitted this form, you have to send your payment screenshot. The number is different, 93509444155. You have to send payment screenshot to that, and you will be added to the official WhatsApp group. So thank you so much for the registration in Agri SAARTHI Kranti 2026. We wish you good luck. Jai Hind.